Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to update or actually how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Right here, all we have to do is to scroll down to find the system and now tap on System Update. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. You need the internet connection, so your device will be allowed to check for the updates. And as I said, you can be in two different situations. The first one is where your system is up to date and there's nothing to download. Your device will show you the information about it. The second scenario is when there is actually the update to download. Your device will show you the info about the update. It will also show you what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on update or install. In my case, we can see a third scenario. I've already started the installation, however I paused it. That is why we can see something like that. So basically this is how it works in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.